was showing you one of the method by which we can add our own list, isn't it? So I've shown you some examples by giving some names of colors, red, green, yellow, like that, isn't it? So if you want to display a list of some words, okay, which is not saved in your Excel library. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all these are saved in the Excel library. Okay, and January, February, all these are saved in Excel library. You have seen in that list, now in the custom list, you have seen all those lists were there. But potato, tomato, all these were not there, isn't it? So if you want a list of vegetables to be saved, so that if anyone write the name potato and drag it, then automatically the other vegetable names also come out. Okay, if you want to make this happen, what you will do, you have to make a new list and you have to save it in custom list. I've shown you the process how to do. So kindly go through the video, okay, go through the previous video in YouTube and you will come to know. Okay, all right. So now now let us do
Sir, I have not understood the number formatting.
number formatting. Acha, acha. Now,
Yes, sir.
so number formatting is like, you can give some different formats to number. For example, different type of number formattings are there. Generally, the normal numbers that you write, in the cell is of general format. Can you see there, figure 6.26, page number 125? In page number 125, figure 6.26, you can see there the first one, ABC 1, 2, 3. These are some general formats. Okay, it does not have any specific format. Then 1, 2, 1, 2 is only for number. And currency is there, accounting is there, short date, long date, all these are some types of number formats. Okay, so these formats are generally given when you are supposed to, let us suppose you have a column. Okay, you have a column in which you will be entering the date of birth. Okay, date of birth. So in that date of birth, what will be there? What will be contained in that date of birth? The date will be there, the month will be there, and the year will be there. Date, month, and year will be there. So, so out of all these formats given in figure 6.26, we'll be using either the short date or long date. Either the short date or long date will be using. Okay, short date will be giving you the short form of the date, and maybe the this one will be given. Maybe the date will be given, the month will be given, and year will be given. The last two digit. Year has 4 digit, no? Isn't it? The last 2 digit will be displayed. Okay. So, so that is the short date. Okay. Long date is also there. Now, long date, it will be displayed. The whole thing will be displayed. The month, date, month, and year. Everything will be displayed in full. Okay. So let us suppose you want to fill a column in which uh, timing is given. For example, time of entry, time of exit, isn't it? So in that particular column, what will be there? Time will be there, no? Hours, minutes, second will be there. So here also you can see time is there. Understood? And percentage, for example, if you want to display the percentage of students, okay, percentage of final examination marks, percentage of final examination mark for each and every student. So let me show you here. I will show you here. Okay, then you will understand better. Let me show you the screen. Let me show you the screen. It's taking some time. If you are not able to see the screen, kindly tell me, okay? Can you all see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So
Yes,
now,
sir.
let us come to the screen. Now you will see here in there is one group. Okay, there is one group named as. Can you see here? I will be showing you, displaying you here. Yeah, can you see here the number group? Number group. In number group, okay, you'll find some options. Okay, some options of some formats of number. Can you see that? Let me show you. Can you see there? General is there, number is there, currency is there, accounting is there, short date, long date, whatever is there in figure 6.26, everything is there. Okay. Now, let us suppose you have calculated some of the values. Okay. You have calculated some of the values. Let me admit partner das. Okay. So here, let me enter some values. For example, 100, then 200, 456, any numbers I'm entering. Okay, any number I'm entering. All right. Now, just after this number, if you want percentage to be displayed, then what you will do, you simply click on the number group and then you give what? Percentage. Then you will see that a percentage symbol will come. The percentage symbol will be displayed. Understood? So just to make the percentage symbol to be displayed, okay, and the whole thing will be displayed in percentage form. Okay, it will be displayed in percentage form. So sometimes when you when you are calculating the percentage, generally we give percentage just after the number. So we have to use this particular format, percentage format. And that day, some day before, I have shown you, maybe in the last class or the before that, I've shown you, if you want to give rupees, in front of some particular number, for example, these are some amounts, okay, some amounts, and you want to display rupees before this, then what you will do, you will go to general this one, you will go to number group, and then out of all those, you have to select currency. Can you see there? Rupees will be displayed just before the currency. Okay. So where is this number group? See, by default, when you open MS Excel, the home tab will be displayed. In the home tab itself, you will be seeing one group as what? Number group. From that group only, you will be clicking on this drop down arrow. Can you see there? Just behind general, what is there? Drop down arrow is there. This arrow is known as drop down, just because when you click on it, the list will be dropped down. The list will be coming down. It is not coming above the arrow, it's coming down the arrow. So this is known as what? Drop down arrow. Understood? So from there only we'll be choosing these options. Okay, all these are what? These are options. Okay, so we'll be clicking on the drop down arrow, and then from the list of options we'll be selecting currency. The required format, the required option will be chosen. Is it clear? So it's very, very easy, nothing to worry about. You all have to practice it in your laptops or in your computer at home. Otherwise, you will forget. That is the only thing to worry about. If you don't practice, you will forget. Okay, all right. Now let's come to the next topic. Jenna, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now, since we have completed this chapter, let us come to let us come to the next topic, that is from the in the lab part, page number 131. Come to this one, page number 131. So try to do question number 2 in your computer. Okay, try to do question number 2, and you have to display all this. Can you see there? In figure, which is just behind question number 2, list of national parks in India is given. So I have explained this to you all. When you when you see there that the list of national parks is occupying 4 cells. Can you see 4 cells? For example, if there are 4 cells, let me show you. This is one of the cell. Let me give a border so that you all are able to see. Can you see the cell? Now let me select 4 cells. Okay, I've selected 4 cells. Now, if you want to make this 4 cells as one cell, okay, if you want to make this, if you want to convert the 4 cells into one cell, what you will do? What you will do? You will select all these cells. Okay, you will select all the cells, and then can you see the alignment option is there? Alignment group is there in home tab. From that, you have to select the merge and center. Can you see the option merge and center? Yes. So you have to click on this merge and center, and you will see that all the 4 cells will be merged. Merge means what? Merging means what? Merging means joining. Okay. All the 4 cells will be joined, and they will be considered as one cell. Okay. It will be considered as one cell. Let me click, and you will understand. Can you see there? It has formed one cell. So in order to make 2 or more cells in order to convert 2 or more cell into one cell, we have to select those cells. After selecting the cells, what we have to do, from the home tab you have to select alignment group, and from that alignment group you have to go and click the merge. Sorry students, it got disconnected. I told you there is some network issue over here. There are some network issue over here. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So if it gets disconnected, kindly rejoin. Okay, rejoin once again. Okay. All right. So I was showing you something and the network got disconnected. Let me show you here again, once again. Yeah. So I was explaining merge and center. Have you all understood this topic? Suddenly it
Yes,
went
sir.
off. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Suddenly it went off. All right. So now, for 2 or more cells can be converted to one cell by using merge and center option from the alignment group of the home tab. Okay, so you can see there in the figure also, right behind question number 2, in the left part, page number 131, you will see there 4 cells are being merged, and in that long cell, list of national parks in India is written, and the format of that of the words which are written are in bold. So after writing, you just convert it into bold. Okay. I hope you all know how to make it bold. Just click on the cell. Just click on the cell. Okay. And then after that, you see from the font group, you just click on the B button. Can you see the bold button is there? Just click on that, and your text will be bold. Can you see the difference? 56777 double point 00 is in bold now. Okay. So this is the way we have to make the text as bold, okay, in MS Excel. So you try to practice the 3 questions which are given in this question number 2. Okay, try to practice. And if you're not able to practice, then it will be a problem. Okay. Now, sometimes, let me show you here. The connection is not stable. Okay, the connection is not stable. It may cut off once again. These days I'm frequently getting this kind of disturbance. In question number 4 also, in order to display kilometer square, how do we write kilometer square? First you write km, and after writing km, what you will do? If you give 2, then what will happen? The 2 will be displayed just after km, So in order to make this 2 appear at the top, what you will do? In MS Word, we had one option as superscript. No? We had one option. Here we don't have any option. Can you see here any option? We don't have any option over here just to make this 2 go up. So here what we will do, in this case, in case of data, okay, first you select that all these are, this will make the letters as small and big. and this number 2, let me show you. And from the format cells option, can you see there some options are there? Effect, superscript, subscript. So from there you select superscript. Okay, from there you select superscript and then press OK. And you will see there kilometer, this 2 went up. Can you see there 2 went up? Are you all able to see? Jainab, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so in order to make this 2 up, let me undo once again. I will show you once again, okay, what I have done. See, generally this 2 does not come in the power. This does not come in the power, okay. So in order to make this 2 appear as a power, as an exponent, what you will do? You will be right clicking on it, okay. You will be right clicking on that number itself after selecting. You have to select that number. After that, you just right click on it. After right clicking, what you will do, you will click on the format cells option from the shortcut menu. Just click on the format cells option, and after that, from the effects, you will see 3 options are there. Strike it through, okay, strike through is there, superscript is there, subscript is there. So if you use superscript, then the number will be appearing in the power, and if you choose subscript, then it will be appearing in the as a base. Okay, so let me click on here superscript, then you will see the change. Can you see that the change is there? 2 went up as a power. Now sometimes if you want to write carbon dioxide, the symbol of carbon dioxide, we all know what is the symbol of carbon dioxide, isn't it? So let me show you. Generally we write what? CO2, but this 2 is written in the base. It is written as a subscript. It is not written in this way. So what we have to do again, what you will do, you will click on format cells, right click on that. Okay, right click on that number. Let me show you once again. Right click on that number after selecting, click on format cells, and then you will see one option as subscript. Just click on that. Okay, and then press OK. You will see that you will find the number has come to the base of CO. So this is how we write the molecular formulas, or any kind of mathematical formulas also can be written. Okay, we just have to use the superscript feature and the subscript feature from the list of features in MS Excel. Is it clear, all of you?